Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you today with my 11-week lock update. I would like to thank all the new subscribers that's joining my lock journey, and for all of those that have not been following me for a while, my name is Carolyn Ann and I have been on my lock journey for 11 weeks. To all my old subscribers, hey guys, welcome back. So let's talk about last week. There was not much happened with my locks. I am experiencing a lot of frizz, which I am loving. Everybody knows that I hate the new, I don't hate the retwist, but I prefer the frizzing. I also feel like my hair is getting heavier too, and it doesn't fall the way it used to. The further along I go, the fuller it gets, and I'm loving that full look. You can tell that it does not lay down, and I am finding a lot of loose strands in my hair. So back in the back mainly, I'm finding loose strands that don't go to anything. So when I do my retwist, I will be wrapping that around one of my twists. From there, I'm hoping it's going to lock up. I have not used anything in my hair but the rose water and the oil. I will continue to use that. I use my rose water twice a day. Once in the morning when I get up, I'll spray my hair, and after I untie my hair, I'll spray it and I'll shake it and go. And at night, probably about an hour before I go to bed, I will spray rose water on my hair and shake it out, and right before I go to bed, I'll tie it up and go to bed. I sleep on satin sheets, but I have been consistent with tying my hair up lately, which is a good thing for me because I don't tie my hair up. I still have my curly ends, which I am loving, and when they start locking, I will be combing those out and curling them back up. I don't want the ends to lock up, but I want the rest of my hair to lock up. You cannot see my parts anymore. Experiencing a few of them that are untwisting. This being one, if you can tell, all of this is untwisted. And I have a bud like right off in here that you can feel, but I'm not gonna worry about that until it comes time for me to retwist. Then I will retwist it and go from there. I'm just gonna let it continue to do what it does. I'm not gonna worry about retwisting my hair anymore because it's still gonna come untwisted. I have not experienced any itching, so that is a plus. I have not had anything major that happened in my hair except for the fact that it is feeling heavier and it is getting fuller. So I'm happy about that. I'm still enjoying my lock journey. I love the way my locks look, and someone said the other day that I am getting into the ugly stage. If this is the ugly stage, bring it on, because I really like the way my hair look, and I get more compliments on my hair since it has been frizzy than it was before. To me, the camera looks blurry, and I'm not sure if it is or if it's just my vision, but I'm going to show you my hair. This is the side. And this is the other side. And as you can tell, the parts are barely there. And this is the back of my hair. So that is really it for this journey this week, guys. I do have to make some rose water because I am running out. I go through rose water like crazy, and I just refilled my bottle. I am going to have to make some more because I use it twice a day, so it runs out quickly. And also I need to make some for my daughter. This is all that's going on with my hair this week. I will be 3 months on the 14th. However, I do not think I'm going to do my retwist at my 3-month mark. I think I'm going to wait maybe 2 to 4 more weeks after that. It just depends on how things go. But I know for sure I will probably wait 2 more weeks without getting my hair twisted. But that's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description box below. I love it when you ask questions. I love when you give me tips and tell me about your journey. Where are you at in your journey, and how are you liking your locks? Do you like the frizzy stage? Do you like when your hair is freshly retwisted? Leave your comments in the description box below. But that's all for this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification buttons so that you will be notified the next time I do a lock update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.